How to export video in Kdenlive. First of all, after finishing your edits on the timeline, click on the render button located at the top toolbar. This will open the render dialog window where you can set your export options. Next, select the destination folder where you want to save your exported video. You can browse and set your preferred location on your computer. Then, choose the output format you want for your video. Kdenlive offers various presets like MP4, AVI, MOV, and more. Pick the one that suits your needs. Usually MP4 is best for general use and online sharing. After that, check the resolution and quality settings to make sure they match your project requirements. You can keep the defaults or adjust based on your needs. Finally, click the Render to File button to start exporting. Kdenlive will process your video and save it to the chosen folder. You can monitor progress in the job queue. And that's it. Now you know how to export video in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.